Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about ion electron method of balancing the given redox equation. So the given redox equation is KMnO4 potassium permanganate react with strontium chloride in the presence of an acid hydrochloric acid to give manganese chloride, strontium chloride and strontium tetrachloride, water and potassium chloride. Now we are going to balance based on ion electron method. Ion electron method. In this method also first you have to assign the oxidation number for all the element, and then you have to find out which element undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction. You know that already. Oxidation means loss of electron, reduction means gain of electron. How you know that oxidation and reduction? By increase in oxidation number means oxidation, decrease in oxidation number means reduction. By this way you can find out reduction as well as oxidation reaction. Now the first step, first you have to assign the oxidation number for all the element in the given equation. You know that already. Oxygen has -2 oxidation for this compound, -8 and +1. So this become +7. So +1 +7 +8 -8. It is nullified. And next strontium, chlorine -1 for this compound -2. Then for strontium +2. And then chlorine -1, hydrogen +1. Next manganese -1 for this compound -2. So manganese become +2. And then the same way chlorine, you know the general oxidation state for chlorine is -1 in all the cases except oxyacids only there is a change in oxidation number. Now -1 for this compound, -4, so that +4. Strontium has +4. And next oxygen has -2 +2 and then -1 +1. So now we have to assign the oxidation number for all the element in the given compound, and then where is oxidation number increasing and decreasing. By this you can find out oxidation and reduction. Now potassium, in all the combination the potassium has +1 oxidation and the chlorine has -1 oxidation and oxygen has -2 oxidation. Only there is a change in manganese. Here +7 to +2, +7 to +2, and strontium +2 to +4. So now you have to find out the where is decreasing oxidation number and increasing oxidation number. Now manganese +7 to +2, it is going to be reduced, decreasing. So reduction is going to taking place on manganese. And then strontium increasing from +2 to +4, so the oxidation, it undergo oxidation. In the first step you want to write the off reaction, oxidation off reaction and reduction off reaction. In step 1, oxidation of reaction, so which one undergoes strontium? Sn +2 become Sn +4 by losing 2 electron. And next we want to write reduction of reaction. reduction of reaction. So reduction, which one undergo the reduction? Manganese undergo reduction process. Now manganese plus 7 by gaining 5 electron become Mn2 plus. So now this is, first you have to write the off reaction, oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. By this you came to know number of electron involves 2 electron in oxidation reaction and 5 electron in reduction reaction. Now you want to balance. For this the oxygen are present, oxygen and hydrogen are there, so that should be balanced in the off reaction. Next step, to balance oxygen we want to add water molecule, and to balance hydrogen we want to add proton, to balance hydrogen and oxygen. So next step, step 2, to balance hydrogen. Hydrogen is balanced by the addition of proton and oxygen is balanced by addition of water. That you have to keep it in mind. So you have to keep it in mind. You want to balance oxygen by adding water molecule, and by balance hydrogen you have to add proton. So now you want to write the equation. Now what is this? Now you have to write the ionic state of this equation. KMnO4 MnO4 minus plus soft reaction MnO4 plus you want to write proton. Now you want to balance hydrogen by adding proton to give Mn plus 2 plus H2O. And next one, Sn plus 2 become Sn plus 4. So here how many electron is gained, that also you have to write. Wait, you want to write the electron, number of electron involved in this. So here how many electron? 5 electron plus, you want to balance now Mn plus 2 plus H2O and loss of 2 electron. Now you want to balance hydrogen. Here first you have to look at for oxygen. How many oxygen in this side? 4, and here only 1. So this can be multiplied by 4. So what is going to be balanced? Oxygen. And next you want to balance hydrogen. 4 into 2 8. So how to balance hydrogen? By the addition of proton. So 8 proton. Now you want to write 8 proton. Now oxygen hydrogens are balanced, and next you want to balance the number of electron. So assign this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. So to equalize you want to multiply, cross multiply. Equation 1 can be multiplied by. So here equation 1 5 electron and equation 2 2 electron. So you have to cross multiply. So the equation 1 can be multiplied by 2 and equation is going to be multiplied by 5. So this can be multiplied by 2, 5 into 2, 10 electron, and this can be multiplied by 5, 5 into 2, 10 electron. Now you write this, the whole equation 1 can be multiplied by 2. So 2Mn O4 minus plus 5 into 2, 10 electron plus 2 into 8, 16 proton gives 2Mn plus 2. Now you see this equation is by 2MnO4 minus 5 into 2, 10 electron, and 2 into 8, 16 proton, and 2 manganese ion plus 2 4s are 8 H2O. And next you want to multiply the equation 2 by 5. 5 Sn plus 2 gives 5 Sn plus 4 plus 10 electron. Now you can equal. So now what is cancelled? 10 electron in the product reactant and 10 electron and in the product side. What is going to be equalized? 10 electron is going to be equalized. Now write the remaining equation. What is this? 2 Mn O4 minus plus 5 Sn plus 2 plus 16 H plus gives 2 Mn plus 2 plus 5 Sn plus 4 plus 8 H2O. So this is the balanced equation based on ion electron method. You can write and see that 2 KMnO4. Now this is the balanced equation. Now by ion electron method. Now you can see that 2 MnO4 means 2 MnO4 so 2 KMnO4 plus 5 SnCl2 plus HCl. So HCl can be balanced by proton. Now you see how many proton? 18 protons. So how many HCl? 18 HCl. 18 HCl. 18 HCl gives. Now you see this in this product side 2 MnO2 MnCl2 2 MnCl2 plus 5 SnCl4 plus, now you see this in this side manganese chloride, strontium chloride and 8 water molecule. 8 water molecule. Now you can see balanced potassium 2 in this side. How many potassium? Sorry, plus KCl. plus KCl. So how many potassium here? So 2 potassium, so this side 2 KCl. So potassium equal to 2. And next Mn equal to 2, and in this side Mn equal to 2. And next strontium Sn equal to 5, and here Sn equal to 5. Next you want to balance hydrogen, chlorine, and now chlorine. 5 2s are 10 plus 18, 28 chlorine. In this side 2 2s are 4 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 2, how many chlorine is there? 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 18. 28, and here you want to balance chlorine. 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 20, 24 and 26. Now wait, we will see in this side. Sorry, here 16. 8 2s are 16, no. Now see 16. So here 16 become 26 and 26. Chlorine is balanced. Then oxygen, you come to oxygen. 4 2s are 8, and in this side oxygen equal to 8. And hydrogen 16 and 8 2s are 16. So every element in the given equation is balanced. By this way you can able to balance by ion electron method. So by this way you can balance the redox equation. Thank you for watching this video, children. You want to receive the latest update, please press the subscribe button. Thank you.